How's everybody doing today? Matt Joyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to recharge your air conditioning inside your car using the new AC Pro. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. We're going to first start up our car. And then we're going to turn the car AC all the way up to full blast. Let's pop the hood. First, unscrew the gauge and remove the safety clip by unscrewing it. Now take the gauge and place it right back onto the AC Pro canister and tighten it up. Find the tube that has the low bar of the radiator. On my car, it's right here. I have a 98 Nissan Altima. So we're just going to push this here. It should lock right in, just like that. Snap right on. After securing the nozzle, begin to pull the trigger on the AC Pro gauge and rotate to the right 90 degrees every 30 seconds or so. And fill it to the green section of the gauge. I only had to use half of the can, so I'm going to save the remaining portion for next time. There you go, nice cold air. Now I'm ready for this summer. And I hope I showed you a thing or two about doing it yourself. Step by step, easy to do, easy to follow. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Joyce signing out.